Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using the Anastasia and Amrezy eyeshadow palette. This time I will be using a concealer just so you guys can see that the eyeshadows also work so good on top of the concealer instead of the Anastasia primer. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of this little family. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish every week except for Sundays. And to give this video a big thumbs up, please, and turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And now, let's get started. So the concealer that I'll be using is going to be the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I already cleaned the bottom of my eyebrows with this concealer and I'm going to blend it out with the e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. You want it to be nice and blended before you apply the eyeshadows, and since I didn't set the primer when I used the Anastasia primer, I'm not going to set the concealer. I'm just going to go straight into the eyeshadows. I'm going to grab the beautiful palette and I'm going to use this for shade OG with the brush that comes in this palette, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade, and I apply it in tapping motions. Since again I didn't set the concealer, you want to apply it in tapping motions, that way the concealer doesn't move. And I'm going to do that on my crease, and then once I start blending it out, I make sure I don't have a lot of the product on the brush and then just blend it out in circular motions. And I did add another layer just to deepen up the shade a little bit and then move it a little bit higher. And to me, there's only one difference between the primer and a concealer, and that is it just changes the color a little bit on top of the concealer. With the primer, since it's very white, it brings out like the true colors of the eyeshadows, but on top of the concealer it changes it just a little bit. Sometimes you can't even tell, but it does changes the color a little bit, but it applies the same, they blend out the same, and it lasts all day. So to me, that's the only difference I see. I'm going to grab the shimmery eyeshadow Gorgina, so gorgeous, with this little sponge thingy, and I'm just going to apply it directly on my crease, I mean on my eyelid. I won't be adding extra primer or concealer. I just want to see how the eyeshadow applies, and it's almost perfect with just one coat, but I did get another coat to fill in the rest of my eyelid. And for the edges, I do use the same little sponge without having a lot of product on the sponge. I'm just going to go back and forth on my crease very lightly to blend out the shimmery eyeshadow. And you don't need to wet the brush in order for the shimmery eyeshadow to stand out, to pop, for the pigmentation. Just like that on its own on top of the concealer, it looks so good. Then I'm going to grab Liddy, one of their pressed glitters, a new formula from Anastasia, and I haven't used this yet on my eyes, and I feel like it'll look so good on top of a shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm just applying it in tapping motions. I don't want it to be full of glitter, just a little bit, and it looks so nice. It's kind of the same color as the shimmery eyeshadow I applied. This just gives it a little more glitter, and it looks so good. Again, applying it like this is just if you want a little bit of the glitter. But if you want the whole eye just to be Liddy and not the shimmery eyeshadow under that, I suggest you use a little sponge like this or a flat brush. But I feel like this looks so cute. Then I'm going to grab Anastasia's shimmery eyeshadow with the Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my eyes. I have already used this eyeshadow before on my eyes and it looks so good. I actually also used it as an inner corner highlight. I just love how it looks, and these eyeshadows paired together, it looks so good. Then with the smaller brush, I'm going to apply the first eyeshadow I had applied on my crease as a transition shade OG, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. I was going to go for the black or the darkest brown in this palette, but I don't want this look to look too dramatic with a lot of eyeshadows or dark eyeshadows. I want it to look nice and simple and really cute, so I feel like this eyeshadow was perfect for that. I already applied the eyelashes. These are from Profusion and they're very simple, so this look does not look very dramatic. And the last thing, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara to my lower lashes. And that completes this look. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what other videos you want to see on my channel. Please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you like this look and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!